Hello, welcome back guys. This is Benmart B. For today's video guys, magre-roll tayo ng 10 times mula sa Crownfall Events to In Candy Works Caravan. I-activate lang natin to guys para magamit natin yung free na discount. Let's go! Sana ibigyan tayo ng Arcana at iba pang sets. Let's go guys! I hope so. Let's go. Arcana. Okay. Purchase will cost 10. It's a free deactivate. Okay. Let's go. Nawala. Let's go. Ay, Candy Works Caravan. Sana ibigyan tayo ng Arcana guys. Arcana. Let's go. Reroll. Oh my god, what is this? Huwag kayong maniwala dito guys, yung price dito sa Dota guys, huwag kayong maniwala. Tingnan nyo sa market guys, maraming mura lang doon. Wala. Let's roll another one. What's this? Oh my goodies, what is this? I don't like it. I don't use Mepo. Let's roll another one guys, I hope Arcana. What the heck boy, this is not Arcana boy. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, I don't like this set. Oh my god, let's roll another one guys. What's this? My god. Arcana please. Arcana. What the heck? What is this? My god man. 3 pesos. My god. Wala tayong chance dito mga idol. Please give me an Arcana, please. Gab, please. Let's go. Oh my god, what is this? Rare? Oh my god. I don't like these sets. But it's okay, but I don't like these sets. I need Arcana. Reroll again, let's go. Wala to. Hindi na naman. Talaga to. Di tayo pinalad mga idol. Reroll tayo again. Yes. Announcer.
Good grief. Your agent is under attack.
Okay. Modify announcer green. I don't like announcer. They're treasures. Reroll again. Reroll. Let's go. Let's go, man. Arcana. What the heck is this? No Arcana. I need Arcana. God. Last one. Let's roll last one. Arcana. What the? What's this? My god. So many courier and words. My God. No, Arcana guys, sorry for this video. This is a coin that I've been rolling the items, and watch the next video guys. I purchased another rolls to next week I think, or just watch guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, yo.